Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. Today Nifty opened at 15,755 and closed at 15,680. Out of 50, 26 are closed in positive and 24 are in negative. Here you can see top 5 gainers and top 5 losers. In both gainers and losers, there is no much movement. You can see maximum is 2.75% in positive and maximum 2.2% in negative. In chart you can see initially there is a little bit downtrend, then after that it is completely in range bound. For the entire day we can observe maximum around 80 to 90 points is there only movement. And for bank nifty, opened at 34,866 and closed at 34,684. Out of 12, 5 stocks are in positive and 7 stocks are in negative. In chart also you can see from the day, entire day, it is also in completely range bound. Total movement in around 200 points only, from in between 34,680 to 34,880. And here you can see this is the continuously fourth day bank nifty closed in negative. Even nifty also, this is the fourth day, okay, it is closed in negative. And for tomorrow, the support and resistance levels are identified like this. For nifty, support, first support is 15,600 and 15,500 is next support, and resistance is 15,800. Here in 1 hour chart you can see 15,500 is the major support. If it is crossed below 15,500, we can expect a big fall. Even for bank nifty, support is 34,500 and resistance is 35,000. Okay, and friends, we have identified one stock for a short term, so say 1 month to 45 to 90 days. That is PNC Infratech Limited. The reason is that it has posted good results, and here you can see the one of the previous resistance point has been crossed and closed in negative, and you can also observe there is a big volumes also is there. So we are proposing for short term with a target of around 350 rupees. Okay, and that's all for friends, and thank you. If you like our analysis, please comment, share, and subscribe our channel. And please note that this video is only for educational purpose. Thank you.